Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a styled column on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a styled column on your Canva docs, I just going to show in this video. To insert a styled column, first therefore click on the element section here. Then you have this option called columns on the side. Click on the see all option. So now here you have the first option called styled column. Click on it, see all option. Now you have six different type of columns. So just go with 2 columns and also 3 columns. So you can see this is the styled column. You have a gradient style around that, and you can have this option. So you just click on this dot option, and here you have this other more options. So if you just need to change something like just going to insert the color option for inside the thing, you can just insert it like this. And also you have other more options like changing the corner, rounding corner, and other more options. And this options is a highlight color option. If you just need it, you can just use it. This is how you just insert a styled column on your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.